Now, student, in our previous video, we have read that one night, 11 years old boy Velu had left his home, and all of a sudden he reached Chennai Central Railway Station by train. But when he reached there, it was the first time that he has left his home and came out from his village to such a big city like Chennai. And it was his bad luck that Pelu has come here, and he was completely out of money. He was hungry, and he was unintroduced with anyone in this big city. Nobody was ready to give him support. Nobody was giving him the verbal support, but it was also a very difficult for him that in his life first time he had seen such a big city, such a big crowd. So Balu was amazed what he had to do because he was very hungry, and he was also completely out of money. उसके पास पैसा भी नहीं है. So he is thinking what he had to do. Then in our previous video I have taught you that nobody was able to help him. So in this way, the a little girl who was searching plastics in the garbage, in the heaps of garbage, and she had bear a very long banyan, and there was a long bag on his shoulders, and she was picking plastic plates and plastic items from the garbage, and she called up at once towards Velu. Now Balu was looking at her. It was the first time that he had left his home, and first time he had found himself in the city of Chennai. And what this little girl offered him, it is the next part of the story. And I am hopeful that I will complete your story today. The first part of the story we will complete today. Now I will explain you the page third of the story. Into a sack. Why is she calling me? At once, Belu thought that why is that girl is calling me? Thought Belu, and why is a girl wearing a banyan? इस लड़की ने बनियान क्यों पहन रखी है? No need to stare stupidly. Now, no need to stare at me in this stupid manner. What is your name? At once he asked the name from Balu. What is your name? Because in the big city like Chennai, Mumbai, the children who are working for the junk dealers and they are searching from the garbage, heaps of the garbage, the plastics, iron, and many other junkful and useful things. Mostly they have the practical experience of the life. So that girl has also the experience of life, and every day they meet different type of people. So very frankly she was asking from Balu, no need to stare stupid. What is your name? Balu muttered, Balu looking away. At once Balu saw towards her and repeated his name, Balu. So, Mr. Balu, said the girl, looking at his bundle. As soon as he looked at his bundle, she said, run away from home. Are you came here, Chennai? Run away from home. Have you left your home? Balu didn't answer. But Balu didn't answer. He did not want to tell some strange girl what he had done. वो एक स्ट्रेंज लड़की जो थी, शी वॉज a stranger for her, so for him, and he did not want to tell him the reality of his life. He had run away because he could not stand his father's beating him for one more day. It was the bad condition of the family of Balu that every day his father used to beat him. Then he was unable to bear the beating of his father. So in this anger he has left his home. His father would snatched away all the money Balu and his sisters earned and spent it on drink. It was the bad condition of the home of this boy, that he and his sisters, what they have earned, every day his father beaten him and snatched away all the money for drinking. His father was a drunkard. Don't think I don't know. कहना ऐसा मत सोचो. At once the लड़की very frankly, the girl very frankly asked Valu, don't think I don't know. You can't think that I don't know about you. This place is full of children like you, because this place, the Chennai Central Railway Station, the Chennai city is also full of with these children like you who left their home. So what are you going to do here? तुम यहाँ क्या करोगे? You want to become rich here? तुम यहाँ अमीर बनने के लिए आए हो? You want to become very rich here? She sat down next to him. Very soon she sat down to him, to Valu. Valu shifted away slightly, but Valu wanted to save himself from her slightly. He felt hunger pinching him. Now he was feeling himself hungry, pinching him away, praised his stomach with a grimace, and from time to time he was pressing his stomach. Hungry? भूखे हो? asked the girl. You don't get food by sitting here glumly. यहाँ बैठकर you can't earn food for yourself. Making faces, you are making faces, but you can't earn food for yourself because you are sitting here idle. I can find some if you want. I can find some if you want. मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाना ला सकती हूँ अगर तुम चाहते हो. She picked up her sack, उसका थैला लेती है, and started to walk away, और चलना शुरू कर देती है. Balu stayed on the bench. Now Balu was stayed at the bench. What should he do? He was guessing what possible thing he can do. Should he follow this girl? क्या उसे लड़की को फॉलो करना चाहिए? Where was she going to take him? वो उसको कहाँ लेकर जाएगी? She was disappearing into the crowd. Because there was a large crowd in the Chennai railway station. So Balu was afraid to follow her, but he had no other remedy. So he had to make up his mind quickly. At once he has taken the decision in his mind very quickly that what he had to do. All right, he decided to follow that girl. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. Already he had no idea where he had to go. कि उसे कहाँ जाना है. He jumped up. At once he jumped up from the bench and ran after her and started following that girl. She was not even looking back to see where he was, and she was not looking behind where was Valu, if he was following her or not. Now, what will be the result of Valu this journey? Where will Valu go with this girl, and what will be the result of Valu, why he had left his home due to the cruelty of his father? Then tomorrow, next video, we will start the part second of this story. Now your part first has been completed, and I will send you the complete PDF of this part first today. Okay students, goodbye.